everyone. I hope you all are healthy and safe. I, Ms. Gunjan Daswani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, welcome you all to the e-learning classes of English grammar. We are revising chapter number 13, articles, which you can find it on page number 80 of your book. Okay, so chapter number 13, articles. Articles are what? We have studied articles, that is a and the are what? Are called articles. They are used before nouns and noun phrases. Okay, so first we are going to see there are two types of articles, that is indefinite article and definite article. Okay, so in the indefinite articles we have three articles, right? We are categorizing these three articles only into these two types of articles. Okay, so a and an are indefinite articles. Okay, so a and an are what? Indefinite articles, and they will be used with the I can say like they are used to refer to general things. Okay, when we are talking about general things, we are not particular about them, then we will be using indefinite article, which is what? A and an. Okay, now moving to the definite article. The article that is left is what? The. So the is an example of what? The is what? A definite article. Like we have seen in your book also that a is used. Now we are seeing the use of a and an. So a is used before singular, singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begins with a consonant sound. Here to refer to use the articles, you have to just listen to the sound of the word. Not you just have to see the word, you just have to listen to the sound also. Okay, so here I can say that the words having consonant sound, with that we will be using a, and words that have a vowel sound. Okay, the words that are starting with a, that begins with a vowel sound, with them we will be using an. And when we are referring to any particular kind of thing, that time we will be using the, which is what? A definite article. So definite article, the is called the definite article because it refers to a particular person, animal or thing, which is, in short I can say it refers to a particular noun. Okay, so you can see some of the uses which is given on page number 81. Please refer to your book on page number 81. You can find some of the uses of the and some of the omissions of the, or like you can find it over there on page number 82. Okay, there are some of the things where we should omit the or we should omit articles. Okay, you can find it on page number 82. Okay, now moving to the exercise of article, that is, first is a exercise. First one you can see, Parul saw dash little octopus in dash aquarium. So dash is having before little, so just listen to the sound of little, it's having a consonant sound. So in the first blank we will put what? A. Okay, and in the second blank, in dash aquarium, it's having the sound of what? Aquarium. A is coming, which is what? A vowel. Okay, the sound is of A only, so the sound is coming of a vowel. Okay, so what we will use in the second blank? An. Okay, like this we have to just listen to the sound and then we have to put the article. Okay, you are here in the first blank you can see a, and in the second blank you can find out an. Okay, now let's see one more example, because here we refer to the sound. Okay, I am giving you an example which is already given in your book. Okay, so it's given like dash unicorn is dash imaginary animal. Okay, so here you can see the sound is coming off, it's starting with U, which is what? A vowel. So according to that we need to put an in the blank, right? But to see the sound of unicorn, we can find that the sound is having Y, okay, it's having U, that's why it's having the sound. It's not having of A, it's having the sound of U, Y. The sound is starting from Y. So what we will put is O, not an, okay, because we are referring to the sound, not the vowel in it, okay. Okay, we can count that it's starting with U, but the sound is coming of a consonant. That is why what we use is O, okay, over here. Now moving to the second blank is what dash imaginary. Now the sound is of vowel, so that is why what we will use and over here, okay. Now taking some example of the also. So we can refer to, you can refer to exercise number B, which is given in your book on page number 82. So you can find like dash is an expensive metal, okay. So the platinum or platinum, as we have seen in the uses that we use the what? We use what? We use the phrases. We not use the before the metals. So that is why the answer would be platinum only, okay. We will not use the, okay. Now seeing one more example, that is if I say Amitabh Bachchan is dash most popular actor of the Bollywood, okay. So the will come or not come? Just tell me one thing. The will come or we will omit that place. We will not write anything over there. The will come because most is what? Most is showing us what? It's the superlative degree, and with superlative degree of adjective we always use the, okay. So the will come. Amitabh Bachchan is the most popular actor of the Bollywood. Now I can take one more example, that is Ram is dash intelligent boy, okay. So in this blank what we need to refer is intelligent. The sound of intelligent is having I with it, okay, it's starting with E. So what is there? It's a sound of a vowel. So what we will fill and will come over here. Now seeing some more example, that is we are referring to the example of your book only, exercise number B, you can find it, okay. So exercise B, first one, that is dash is there, and we are given with two options, that is the Spanish or Spanish. Player could not talk in English or the English, okay. So what will come? Player could not talk in dash, okay. So here we are talking about the name of the player, like name of the country, of name of the country's people, of the people of the country. Like we are Indians, so we will use the Indians, okay. So that is why what will come? The Spanish will come, not Spanish, okay. The Spanish player could not talk in the English or English. With the names of languages we don't use what? The, okay. So only English will come. Could not talk in English, not the English, because with the names of languages we don't use the, okay. So these are some of the exercises of chapter number 13 we have revised. I hope you have understood it well. Stay fit, stay at your home. Thank you.